hit an extra power switch, that's all. Oh no! Not my beautiful blenders!
Maybe the front doors will stop it!
I'm here to receive my beautiful red flower to wear on my newly clean suit. Oh. What in heaven's name is going on here, Tori?
Not a good time to explain, Mayor!
It's headed towards IE and his flower patch. It's gonna do to the flowers what it did to my blenders.
Oh no! My carnation! IE is in trouble! This is a job for the play... a job for all the Play Rangers!
We've got to try to reach the switch to turn it off!
You got it, Tori.
Let's transform and try to slow it down!
I'm with you, Tori.
This running and vacuum swatting is making me tired.
Phew. Me too, Tori.
Well, I think we're just about done, Play Rangers.
That's mighty tasty. Play Rangers, we have a cleaning dilemma back at the dormitory. A vacuum cleaner has gone nutty and threatens poor IE's flower patch.
That doesn't sound like our usual vacuum cleaner. Where did this other vacuum come from?
Remember, Tori mentioned getting a gift for us that would make cleaning faster and easier.
Whatever the reason, we've got to stop it. Play Rangers,
It's teamwork time! Oh, thank goodness you're here!
Play Rangers, deploy!
Boy, what are we going to do?
I'm gonna spring into action! We're in trouble!
I think I can fish around and help out.
work this time. Play Rangers, pull! You gotta use Bumpy to catch this crazy vacuum cleaner. Bumpy Wheelie, get next to the vacuum cleaner. Transform into a van! Okay, Rangers, give a really big tug! 1, 2, 3! Boing! Spring power! Got it!
It finally ran out of power, Boing!
Play Rangers rule!
I'm so sorry, guys. I shouldn't just leave all the chores to a machine.
Well, I'm glad you learned your lesson, Tori.
And I got my flower. Oh, what a happy ending.
That's our mayor.